Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will delve deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments would be unfortunate. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 8 days, CrowdStrike has surpassed our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 11.01% since our initial recommendation to buy. This equates to an average daily return of 1.38% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, it is uncertain which direction the stock will take. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 26.31% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return of between 15.69% and 31.2%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 47.37% change over the next 12 months. This implies a potential return between 16.94% and 66.07%. In other words, the stock price could range from $226.67 to $321.89 after a year. Our latest update on CrowdStrike reveals that the stock price closed at $193.83 on Wednesday, with a gain of 0.764%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the CrowdStrike stock price increased by 0.764%, rising from $192.36 to $193.83. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 1.87% fluctuation, reaching a low of $191.21 and a high of $194.78. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock price has risen by 10.52%, showing gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $330.59 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $194.83, while the lowest price was $92.25. Currently, the price is 0.51% or $1 below the 52-week high and 35.06% or $104.65 below the all-time high reached on November 10, 2021, when the price reached $298.48. Today, I want to talk about recent analyst ratings for CRWD, the cybersecurity company. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, Jefferies gave CRWD a cautious grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Thursday, September 21, 2023, BMO Capital gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Thursday, September 21, 2023, Wedbush gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities awarded CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, Needham also gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action on Thursday, September 21, 2023. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general recommendation of buy. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock is showing positive signs based on the buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock has some support from the lines at $185.59 and $176.78. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 12.93%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot has been found. It's worth noting that despite the stock gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock. Please be aware that some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 10 days ago. According to Bollinger, there was a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 134 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 167 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has two key levels to watch out for. The first one is at $181.82, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next one at $176.69. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. So if the first support is broken, we need to be prepared for a potential drop to the next support level. Speaking of support levels, if CrowdStrike breaks the $176.69 support, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $163.03. These levels act as important thresholds where the stock has historically found buying interest. Now let's talk about risk. CrowdStrike is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock moved $3.57 between its high and low, which represents a 1.87% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.3%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Established companies can have periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 27, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $0.740. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. When it comes to resistance, there isn't much accumulated volume standing in the way. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for determining your exit strategy. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's value. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 11, 2023, Austin Roxanne S. sold 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 2,713 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 7,938 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 8,623 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 5,726 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -3.455. In total, insiders have purchased 1,146,591 shares and sold 1,141,935 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $187.43, which represents a decrease of 3.3%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom approximately 9 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? While CrowdStrike holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently best suited as a hold candidate in your portfolio. We recommend holding or accumulating shares in this position while awaiting further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate CrowdStrike to open at a lower price of $193.27, down $0.557. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. So, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.